Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Lazy Investor Zone. So today let's look how the market may react for tomorrow based on our technicals. So I think today evening there was some meeting which has been held by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji as well. So I'm not really sure what are the outcomes of that meeting. But then I just want to go purely based on the technicals. So let's see like how the Nifty may look tomorrow. So you could see there was some congestion zone has happened today. So if I go for day chart, so it was a dozy kind of candle. So where there was indecision mode. So here they should be on candle. So okay, I'll just go to the hourly chart. Yeah. So in the hourly chart, you could see so much congestion has been happened within this zone. Basically, this is the zone which I'm talking about. uh, from 17,110 to 17,024. This is the zone where the Nifty has stayed today. So it will be a very good day for the option sellers because the zone based trading will be really good for the option sellers. There will be premium decay, and that too today being the expiry day. There will be definitely a very good amount could have been seen by the option sellers. So tomorrow, my view is like I just don't want to trade within this zone once again. So I'll be just watching for outside of this zone. Either it is 17,110 above, or else it is 17,020 below. So if it crosses this 17,110 yesterday's zone, so definitely I'll be going long, and then my target would be around 17,180, and after that if there is any bullishness indications, then I'll be looking for 17,220 level as well. So that's what upside I'm expecting, and downside if it goes below 17,020 I'm expecting 16,965, and then even after that if there is any bearishness, so then definitely I'll be looking for 16,930. So why I just mark these zones, I just want to explain you a little about these zones. So there will be huge kind of reactions uh, when particular stock or particular index comes out of any zone. So if you could see here this zone, so the market has came out very aggressively from here, and then it went till 17,110 all the way from 16,920 almost. So 180 points move, so which is very aggressive. And here also I have marked a zone. So came out of this zone from 17,190 around, and then it went all the way down till 17,020, and then the next day you could see the even more carnage has happened on Nifty. So it went till 16,400. So basically these zones are powerful. So when the stock has traded in certain zone for reasonable good time, then definitely when the stock, when the price has moved out of that zone, then definitely either of the sides, it could be upside or it could be downside, there will be aggressive mode. So that's what my levels for Nifty. And coming to the bank Nifty, to be frank, I'm not very clear on the bank Nifty chart, but as per the hourly charts, definitely bank Nifty looks weak. So you could see like it opened around 35,340, and it made a high of 35,450, but then it couldn't sustain its high or its open. So it closed around 35,040, which is a little negative side. But then on hourly chart, I observed that it was taking a support of the trend line, and once again it was taking the support of the zone, previous zone. So 35,040 will be a crucial level. So I am not prepared actually today itself. So I just want to observe tomorrow how it opens, and I want to look at least for 15 to 20 minutes so that I can get some directional view on the bank Nifty. So today I am not going to give any levels on the bank Nifty for the time being. And coming to the Canfin Homes, the stocks, I have picked few stocks. So among them, the Canfin Homes is one stock. So why I have picked this stock? The stock has been trading once again slowly. It's making a trend line. If you could see this trend line, it was very good, like slowly it was making a very good trend line. So I'm expecting on the bullish side, if it crosses 560, so intraday levels, I'm expecting 565 tomorrow. And it's like, please note, if I give certain levels, then definitely take trade only after that level. So before that, we have to wait for that level. We can't just enter at any level, and we can't expect the targets, but they were a certain importance to the levels which we really mention here. So we'll take trade only above 560, and the two, let at least 5 minutes candle should close above that 560. So once that 5 minutes candle closes above 560, then take a trade. So make the low of the 5 minutes candle which cross this 560 as a stop loss, and your target will be 565. The same thing, if it goes downside, I am looking for the levels of 547. So once again, definitely once it crosses this trend line, so I'll be taking trade on the closure of the 5 minutes candle. High of the 5 minutes candle will be my stop loss, and I'll be looking for the targets of 547. That's what Canfin Homes and Bandhan Bank. Actually, Bandhan Bank has fallen a very from very high levels, like around 322. It's almost trading around 250 now, and still you could see the Bandhan Bank. There was some kind of zone has been happened here, like just to show you. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So either it could be this side, or it could be this side. Anything can happen. So that's what I'm looking for. So I just want to delete this. Okay, never mind. So my trade will be for Bandhan Bank. I'll be going on the short side below 256 for targets of 253.5. So there will be very less, but then intraday you can't expect more than 3 points or 4 points in a stock of 250 rupees. And upside, I'll be going long above 261. My target would be around 264 is my first target, and if I could see even more, I can wait for 265.7. That's what the Bandhan Bank all about for tomorrow. And then coming to the Naukari, Naukari, I'm expecting Naukari. There was an interesting observation. So Naukari has crossed its hourly, on hourly chart, it crossed its trend line. So this is the trend line which I have drawn. So on hourly chart, it has successfully crossed the trend line, and it closed above the trend line. So for tomorrow, Naukri, I'm looking for targets of 5,447 to 450, and above that, I'll be looking for targets of 5,530. So with a stop of 5,350. So that's what for Naukri. And then Kotak Bank, Kotak Bank is the one such stock which has dipped very lot during this fall. And the closure is also not so really good because it just closed below the trend line. So I'll be looking for the sell side. If it sell side below 17,000, sorry, 1767, and for targets of 1750 to 1748. If I want to go for the buy side, depending upon the price action tomorrow, so I'll just take trade above 17,000, sorry, 1790 for a target of 1804. And then coming to the assault transfin, so I'll be looking only for the long side, and that too about 1225. So that's what, like, I'll be waiting for the level of 1225 closure. So once it closes about 1225, my target is big here, 1264. So I don't mind taking a risk in this particular stock if there is an indication that a 5 minutes candle or at least 10 minutes candle closes about 1225. So that's pretty much from my end for today. So I hope this video will help you, and thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel in order to get more interesting updates. Jai Hind.